Hi everyone, welcome back. So let's make this delicious jollof rice together. This rice is so yummy and super easy. So let's get started. So into my clean pot, I went in with some vegetable oil. So we are going to allow this to hot. Then we are going to add in some curry powder, bay leaves and thyme. Then I'm going to stir this for some seconds, okay? So I went in with some tomato paste. I'm going to fry this for 3 to 4 minutes. So after frying the tomato paste for 4 minutes, I went in with the tomato mix. In here I have long bell pepper, habanero pepper, tomatoes, onions. So I blended everything together. So I went in with the tomato mix. I'm going to stir this, then I will allow this to cook until the water is dried up. So at this point the water is a little bit dry, so I'm going to stir this. After I'm done stirring, I'm going to go in with jollof spices, salt and seasoning cubes. So I'm going to stir and allow this to cook for a few minutes. So at this point our jollof stew is ready. So I'm just going to stir, then I will dish out a little. So I'm going to add in the stew when my rice is almost ready. Okay, so after dishing out the stew, I went in with my nicely washed rice. So I washed the rice with hot water and salt. I washed until the water runs very clean. So I am now just going to add in the rice, then I will stir to combine. Okay, so after then I'm going to add in my chicken stock. Then after adding the chicken stock, I went in with crayfish. So after adding the crayfish, I'm just going to stir a little. Then I will be adding water that will be enough for my rice to cook. So I went in with some water. So at this point I tested it. I noticed that the salt was not enough. So I went in with some salt. Then I'm just going to stir and cover this to cook. Okay. So guys, at this point our jollof rice is almost ready. So I'm just going to stir this. Okay. Guys, if today is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking to this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on your bell icon and drop me a comment, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Thanks for always coming back. Please keep on liking, commenting and sharing. Thank you so much. So now I'm just going to cover this with some parchment paper, then I will let this cook for some minutes. And guys, look how yummy this jollof rice is looking. So guys, I'm just going to stir this, then I will add in the stew that I dished out earlier. Then after adding the stew, I'm going to stir together to combine. So So at this point I'm going to add in some butter, then some chopped tomatoes and some chopped onions. So I'm going to cover this back with the patch paper, then allow this to cook on a low heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Then voila, I'm going to stir this together to combine. And guys, if you are the one that doesn't like chopped onions and chopped tomatoes at this point, you can as well go in with red bell pepper or green pepper, okay? And if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and also share. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you all. So guys, our jollof rice is ready. Look at that. So serve and enjoy. So I enjoy mine with some salad and some fried chicken. So bye for now guys. I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye.